All right, so this appeared in the mail. It's another Brad Meyers display board. I don't know why it appeared in the mail. I didn't order it. But here we are. So let's open it and take a look. He did send me a message about something too, so I just find it interesting. Oh wow. Interesting. Wow. Oh my. Let's take a look at what we got here. So that's what he's looking to do. Wow. That is fantastic. Look at that. We got the jet bridge. Yeah, wow. He custom made one for me. So this is an example of what you can get custom made from him. This is what he's wanting me to do here. So I could put either the single or the double on this one. It's got some 787 markings. Obviously I can use other wide bodies on this, but this is an example of the single side board. The single sides usually have more detail on them. As you can see, the lines, the texture, the detail on this. And the double ones are just slightly less detailed because you get those two sides. But so I can set up my Emirates A380 with this and have the double jet bridge. So first of all, thank you. I did not expect this. The mailman showed up today and I was like, I did not order another board. So very nice. Very nice letter. Thank you. I appreciate it very much. I will definitely be using this for future videos. We do have another unboxing coming up here. Maybe I'll feature this board. Gemini just released the Gemini 200 re-released A330-300 Delta. I put myself in a pre-order, so a month from now you guys will see that unboxing. Also, another A380 Emirates unboxing should be on the way. So, what a perfect time for this. Absolutely fantastic. All right, just thought I'd do a quick video on it. Thank you very much, and we will feature this starting in the next video. Beautiful. Peace.